You've caught me at one of my favorite and most special times of the day. I like to come here and view this magnificent waterfall and watch the water cascade up and then down on the artificial rocks into the small, cool pond below. The way the water evokes nature in this particular waterfall is spectacular. It creates an environment of stress and carefree. I admire the beauty and I love it, and I feel at ease after I leave here. This waterfall helps me, like I said, get away from all real world distractions, and it's just magnificent.
Hey, down here. Yeah, here. This waterfall represents the spirit of America. And what better place to show America than at a fountain in front of tile fields? It shows the natural landscape of America. Normally, a bald-headed eagle would be standing on a rock face like this. This concrete structure mimics the very beauty of the top of a mountain. Also, the steps in here along this fountain are made out of a beautiful sandstone that is crafted together. When you walk around the waterfall out here, you have this beautiful cobblestone